Here's a quick video showing how to replace the battery in your Kia's car fob, just in case the battery's dead and you need a new one. So to start off, take the car fob and there's a little metal button right here to open this. So press on it and then the key will slide right out like that. And then when you flip it over, what you're gonna do is pull these two pieces of plastic apart, just like this. And they'll come apart like that. Now you can see where the battery is located. To push the battery out, just push up on this area right here. And then you can kind of wiggle the battery out. Cool. Got rid of that one. And then go ahead and grab your new battery. The one that works for mine is the CR2032. So I got my new battery here. And then go ahead and just slide it right where the old one was. There. Now it's fully seated. And then go ahead, put the two pieces back together, just like how we popped them off. Clicking everything back together. And then once that's set, go ahead and just reinsert this key right here. And that's how you replace the battery. Let me know if you have any questions.